Hey YouTube, Scott Dunnage Garage, how you doing today? Welcome to what we're gonna call Matt's Mini Adventure. We just finished the Arizona BDR, but we weren't done. Matt wanted to camp down in the Sonora Desert with saguaros and cactuses and rattlesnakes, and scorpions, coyotes, and all that stuff. So we headed back down south. Currently, we're outside of Phoenix on a very bumpy road. It would help if we air down. And I put Matt in the lead, and we're just gonna go where Matt wants to go. Let him.
TV coming.
I see him. And we're gonna let him pick where we go, where we camp, and what we do. Sounds good. Let's find a spot up here and we'll air down. How far do you think we're going?
We're about 9 miles.
9 miles. It's wet.
Fluid, looks like.
Yeah, I wonder if they overheated or broke something.
Oh, look at that. We have rock damage.
Where am I?
Right there.
Oh!
Yep, he's done.
Yeah. That's broken.
Yeah. We could squeeze by. Right here.
So that ProMaster is done. There is a hole in what looks like the transmission. We got a side trail that way. We might be able to squeeze by this way and go back up. I'm guessing that's the way they're walking because this looks fresh.
Yeah.
Where it's still dripping. We can't get around this way because of the washout. This trail here is going to get real tight, we think. So we're going to stay on the main trail. We're just going to clean up this tree right here and continue up.
Chainsaw.
Yeah. Just go past and make a chainsaw noise. A couple things to note here. First, Matt insisted on using the handsaw instead of the chainsaw. And trust me, the camera really doesn't do this justice. The squeeze was tight. The branch had to go. Otherwise, we were getting some serious desert pinstriping, and not the kind you can just buff out later. All right, so we're past the van. I think we both have put pins down to help locate it. I'd like to see the rock he hit to take that out.
I'm sure we'll see it.
As we're going up the road here, you can see where he started dumping fluid, and a lot of it, and that was a big hole. So we couldn't have gone far. And that there is the rock that took out the Sprinter. Matt just found a trail off to the right, went up, and it's not sure it's a trail, or at least for us, so he's walking up ahead. So I'm gonna sit down here, let him do his thing, and figure out if that is a trail or not. And it looks like I need to change a battery, so let's get that done. Matt just got back from his exploration and decided that's not a good trail for us.
It looks like we got to go through that town area, and it's all interstate noise. That's all you hear.
All right, so after this little scouting expedition, that's a bad trail. We're gonna keep going that way.
I'm just hoping we get farther away from the interstate.
Now, you said you wanted to camp next to saguaros. You didn't say anything about an interstate.
Yeah.
So come on now. You sure about that?
Doesn't go back as far as I thought it was going to go.
So this just happened. No, it won't take much at all.
You're probably just on your...
I'm on my diff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just slipped off the bank right there. The camera doesn't do this justice. Steep hill, deep ditch. Inside the Jeep, it felt like I was about to tip. And I was hung up on more than just the differential. I was completely stuck. Time to try something else. Back out and take another run at it. Not happening. It doesn't look bad here, but it feels tippy.
It might not feel as tippy if you turn driver and back up into that wall. Like back your front up into that wall.
Right, that's gonna bring my back end right onto that ledge.
I'm hoping.
The only other option, pull it backwards. But that meant risking rolling the Jeep onto its side and trapping Matt behind us on the trail. And that is why you always travel with pairs in backcountry. We found a nice place for lunch. We were gonna make camp there, but it was awful early in the day and Matt wanted to try someplace else. So we're heading out and obviously got stuck, slid off the road. And that is why you need to have good communications between vehicles. You need to go out with a couple people and let people know where you're going. We didn't know where we were going, but we do have the inReach, we do have the satellite, so we can get a call out if we needed to. But we're gonna head back down the road and see if we can't find some more misadventure. It is the last morning. We are starting to head back east towards Nebraska. The Matt Mini adventure is coming to an end. It was a peaceful evening just outside of Phoenix. Sun is coming up and just a great place to be. It's official, the Arizona BDR is complete. Matt's mini adventure is complete, and we're on our way home. We actually stopped back right where we started in New Mexico. This is our camp spot for tonight. Jalapeno brat sausage and Mexican squash, onions, potatoes, macaroni salad, cheese, and I think an Arnold Palmer for me and a Monster for Matt.
Or Coke.
Or Coke. This is the end of the video and something more. For now, this is the last Dunnage Garage weekly upload. After a year of chasing adventures and telling these stories, I realized it's time to slow things down a bit. The pace, the travel, is just not sustainable for my family right now. That said, this isn't goodbye. I'll still be creating, just at a different pace, focusing on projects I'm truly passionate about as time allows. Thank you for being here, for watching, subscribing, and for those who supported Dunnage on Patreon. It truly means a lot. God be with you, and remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. I'll see you in the next one.